Hi, today's question is about, do I need prior experience or special skills to start? Honestly, one of the best things about this online business is that you don't need any prior experience or special skills to get started. Whether you are already tech savvy or a complete beginner, we have got you covered. Our training program is designed to take you step by step through everything you need to know. We'll teach you how to market product, attract customers, and build your business from the ground up. Plus, there are mentors, coaches, and a supportive community who are there to support you every step of the way. So don't worry if you feel like you don't know enough right now. We are all started from scratch, and with the right guidance, you can achieve great things too.